Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a bubble app version from GitHub backups, full guide step by step clearly. To restore a bubble app version from GitHub backups, start by accessing your GitHub account. Navigate to the repository where your bubble app backups are stored. Locate the specific backup version you wish to restore. Click on the commit history to review previous versions of your app. Identify the commit that contains the version you want to retrieve. Take note of the commit hash for reference. Next, click on the Code tab in your repository. Then, download the repository as a zip file. After the download completes, locate the zip file on your computer. Extract the contents of the zip file to a designated folder. Open your Bubble app dashboard in a separate browser tab. In the Bubble editor, go to the Settings section of your app. Find the option for uploading a new version of your app. Select the option to upload a file. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the zip file. Choose the appropriate files that correspond to the backup version. Click Upload and wait for the files to be processed. After the upload is complete, verify the app settings. Test the app to ensure that it reflects the restored version correctly. If any issues arise, cross-reference the backup files for inconsistencies. Repeat the process if a different version needs to be restored. Finally, document the changes in GitHub for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.